Designs, where we'll explore the art of creating captivating outdoor spaces that seamlessly blend style and functionality. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey by exploring the captivating concept of a backyard gazebo living space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. For many, a gazebo might conjure images of a simple, perhaps underutilized, structure in the garden. However, we're here to delve much deeper than that. What exactly does it mean to transform a traditional gazebo into a true extension of your home, a dedicated living space right in your backyard? This involves a thoughtful evolution, moving beyond mere aesthetics to incorporate elements of comfort, functionality, and personal style, ultimately creating an outdoor room that invites you to relax, entertain, and truly live amidst the beauty of your surroundings. Join us as we unpack the core meaning of this increasingly popular trend in home design and outdoor living. A backyard gazebo living space refers to the transformation of a traditional gazebo structure into a functional and inviting extension of your indoor living area, situated within the confines of your backyard. It transcends the basic notion of a standalone ornamental structure, evolving into a dedicated zone for relaxation, dining, entertaining, or even working outdoors. This transformation involves thoughtfully incorporating furniture, decor, lighting, and often even functional elements like outdoor kitchens or heating, to create a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing environment that encourages extended use and enjoyment of your outdoor space. The key is to blur the lines between indoor comfort and the beauty of the natural surroundings, making the gazebo a true outdoor room. Now that we understand what a backyard gazebo living space is, let's explore the compelling advantages of incorporating one into your property. The benefits of having a backyard gazebo living space are numerous and significantly enhance your lifestyle and property value. Firstly, it provides a dedicated outdoor retreat, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life without leaving the comfort of your home. It's an ideal spot for relaxation, meditation, or simply enjoying the fresh air and nature. Secondly, a gazebo living space serves as an exceptional entertainment area, perfect for hosting gatherings with family and friends, from casual barbecues to more formal outdoor dinners. The defined space creates a focal point for socializing and enjoying each other's company. Thirdly, it increases your living space without the cost and complexity of a traditional home addition. It effectively adds another room to your property, expanding your options for leisure and activity. Furthermore, a well-designed gazebo living space can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your backyard, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your landscape. Finally, it can potentially increase your property value, as it's seen as a desirable amenity by prospective buyers. The versatility and functionality of a backyard gazebo living space make it a valuable investment in your home and well-being. Creating a visually appealing and comfortable backyard gazebo living space is all about thoughtful design and attention to detail. Let's discuss some key strategies to elevate the aesthetics of your outdoor haven. Decorating your backyard gazebo living space to look good involves a harmonious blend of comfort, functionality, and personal style, all while considering the outdoor environment. Begin by defining the purpose of your gazebo. Will it be primarily for dining, lounging, or a multifunctional space? This will guide your furniture and decor choices. Comfortable seating is paramount. Opt for weather-resistant materials like wicker, teak, or aluminum with plush outdoor cushions and fabrics that can withstand the elements. Consider a mix of seating options, such as a sofa, armchairs, or even a daybed, depending on the size and intended use. Introduce textiles like outdoor rugs, throw pillows, and blankets to add texture, color, and warmth. Choose durable, fade-resistant fabrics that can endure outdoor conditions. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the ambience, especially for evening use. Incorporate a combination of ambient lighting, such as string lights or lanterns, task lighting for reading or dining, and perhaps even some decorative accent lights. Bring in nature by incorporating potted plants, hanging baskets, and even climbing vines around the gazebo structure. Greenery adds life, color, and a sense of tranquility. Accessorize thoughtfully with outdoor-friendly decor items like lanterns, candles or LED alternatives, small side tables, and perhaps even an outdoor-safe sound system. Consider a cohesive color scheme that complements your home's exterior and the surrounding landscape. Finally, remember to keep it functional and uncluttered. Ensure there's enough space to move around comfortably and avoid overcrowding the gazebo with too many items. Regular maintenance will also contribute significantly to keeping your gazebo living space looking its best. Selecting the right items is crucial for transforming your gazebo into a functional and enjoyable living space. Let's explore some of the best additions you can make. The best items for a backyard gazebo living space are those that combine durability, comfort, functionality, and aesthetic appeal, specifically designed to withstand outdoor conditions. Comfortable and weather-resistant furniture tops the list. This includes sofas, armchairs, dining sets, and loungers made from materials like wicker, rattan, teak, aluminum, or treated wood. Ensure they come with high-quality outdoor cushions made from water-resistant and fade-resistant fabrics. Outdoor rugs are essential for defining the space, adding warmth and texture underfoot, and protecting the flooring. Choose materials like polypropylene or jute that are durable and easy to clean. Effective lighting solutions are crucial for extending the usability of your gazebo into the evening. Options include string lights, lanterns both electric and solar-powered, outdoor floor lamps, and even integrated lighting within the gazebo structure. Shade solutions, such as outdoor curtains or retractable shades, can provide relief from the sun and add privacy. Choose lightweight, weather-resistant fabrics that can be easily moved or adjusted. Potted plants and greenery are vital for bringing life and natural beauty into the space. Select plants that thrive in your local climate and consider a variety of sizes and textures. Outdoor storage solutions, like benches with storage or weatherproof cabinets, help keep the space tidy by concealing cushions, throws, and other accessories. Outdoor heating options, such as patio heaters or fire pits, but if local regulations allow, can extend the usability of your gazebo into cooler months. Outdoor sound systems or portable Bluetooth speakers can enhance the ambience for relaxation or entertaining. Serving carts or small outdoor tables are useful for holding drinks, snacks, or books. Finally, decorative accessories like outdoor art, wind chimes, and lanterns add personal touches and enhance the overall aesthetic. Prioritize items that are specifically designed for outdoor use to ensure longevity and enjoyment. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 inspiring ideas to transform your backyard gazebo into a stunning living space. One, the cozy lounge retreat. Focus on comfortable seating like plush outdoor sofas and armchairs arranged around a low coffee table. Add soft outdoor rugs, throw pillows in varying textures, and ambient lighting like string lights or lanterns for a relaxed and inviting atmosphere perfect for unwinding. 2, the alfresco dining oasis. Incorporate a stylish outdoor dining table and chairs suitable for the size of your gazebo. Add a centerpiece with weather-resistant decorations, elegant outdoor dinnerware, and consider adding outdoor curtains for a touch of privacy and shade during mealtimes. 3, the tropical paradise. Embrace lush greenery with various potted plants, including palms and ferns. Use natural materials like bamboo or rattan furniture, incorporate vibrant colors in your cushions and decor, and add subtle tropical-themed accessories like tiki torches or shell accents. 4, the rustic charm. Opt for furniture made from natural wood or wicker with earthy-toned cushions. Add rustic lanterns, woven baskets for storage, and perhaps a small outdoor fireplace or fire pit if permitted to create a warm and inviting ambience. 5, the modern minimalist. Choose sleek, contemporary outdoor furniture with clean lines and neutral colors. Incorporate minimalist decor, such as geometric planters and simple lighting fixtures. Focus on creating an uncluttered and sophisticated space. 6. The Bohemian Escape. Mix and match colorful cushions and throws with intricate patterns. Add floor pillows for casual seating, incorporate dream catchers or macrame wall hangings, and use eclectic lanterns and candles to create a relaxed and artistic vibe. 7. The Outdoor Office Nook. Equip your gazebo with a comfortable outdoor desk or table and chair. Ensure adequate shade and consider adding an outdoor-friendly power outlet for laptops and devices. Incorporate plants for a refreshing and productive workspace. 8. The Entertainment Hub. Set up a comfortable seating area facing an outdoor projector screen or a weatherproof television. Include a small bar cart or serving station for drinks and snacks, making it the perfect spot for outdoor movie nights or sports viewing. 9. The Garden Sanctuary. Surround your gazebo with climbing vines and flowering plants to create a natural enclosure. Incorporate comfortable benches or a swing, add bird feeders or wind chimes, and focus on creating a peaceful and serene space that blends seamlessly with the garden. 10. The Coastal Getaway. Use light and airy colors like blues, whites, and sandy tones for your furniture and decor. Incorporate nautical-themed accessories like rope accents, seashells, and driftwood. Choose comfortable seating options and add sheer outdoor curtains that billow in the breeze. Transforming your backyard gazebo into a functional and beautiful living space is an investment that enhances your outdoor enjoyment and potentially increases your property's appeal. By carefully considering the purpose, selecting the right items, and paying attention to the details of decoration, you can create an outdoor oasis that you'll love spending time in. We hope these ideas have inspired you to reimagine your backyard gazebo. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more fantastic home and garden design tips and transformations. Share your own gazebo living space ideas in the comments below, we'd love to see them. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.